Wish you could see this, Rock.
Rocky can see. Boring.
What? This is not boring.
Name of planet, Tau Ceti E, is same name as star, plus E. Boring.
I guess it could be a little more evocative.
Astrophase sampler in position. Question?
Yep. Trays are live, looking both ways.
It is time go.
It's time go.
What is Grace doing? Question?
Having a moment. You know, back on Earth, if you discover something, you get to name it. You were technically the first one here, so...
Yes, the name is Medium Rough Texture Circle Planet.
Okay. Well, if Medium Rough Texture Circle Planet was taken, we'll just have a backup. Maybe go with something personal.
Personal.
What's your mate's name again?
Name is...
It's okay, I remember.
Need human word for Rocky mate.
Adrian.
Is beautiful.